Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about what are the cheapest way to transfer car title in Texas. So make sure to watch the full video. If you must pay for the vehicle to acquire it, you must declare the car price, or the amount you paid when you bought it. That is the amount that the Texas tax officer will use to determine the amount of sales tax and the transfer fee that you need to pay to transfer the car title to your name. If you acquired your car in a typical manner, that is, you paid for it with money, the transfer title fee in Texas is $33, with an additional motor vehicle sales tax of 6.25% of the vehicle's value. They will also charge an additional fee for transferring the current registration. You might have to pay a registration fee if the vehicle registration is not updated. 1. Can you do a title transfer online in Texas? If you transfer a car title in Texas, you can do it by mail. The first thing you should do is complete the required form. You can find this form online. In Texas, the preferred method is doing it by mail. First, complete the required form online and mail it to the Texas County office. They advise you to do it online instead of personally, because if you complete the form online, you can conveniently print out your copy, which you can keep as your file. This is the easiest way to transfer a car title to your name if you live in Texas. 2. Who should pay the car title fee? Transferring the title of a property in Texas, as in every state in the United States, requires work. Those charged with registering vehicles in Texas must search for a particular title from the thousands, if not millions, of cars registered in the state. That requires work because they must be sure that the car title is indeed the car your buyer bought. There is no room for mistakes in this type of undertaking, so their research is extensive and comprehensive. Like any negotiations between a seller and their buyer, the costs can be negotiated between the parties. 3. How to get the cheapest car transfer title fees. It's natural for you to seek ways you can reduce your taxes. That includes even the taxes in transferring your car title to somebody else. How to get the cheapest car transfer title fees. Here are some suggestions. Benefit from industry-leading accuracy and speed that will allow you to efficiently deliver better results for your customers. Through our online platform, Ilion Motor Vehicle, or via integration with our API, you can process title and registration, Lion Add Remove Change, Lion Release, title correction or change, duplicate title, due diligence, VN searches, auto title search service, and more for a wide portfolio of commercial and consumer vehicle types and specialty high-value assets, all in one place. When you purchase or sell a vehicle in Texas, you must transfer ownership of the vehicle by transferring the vehicle's title. Here's what you need to know about vehicle title transfers in Texas. 4. Gift the car as a gift to a family member. Suppose you have an old but still functional vehicle you are not using anymore because you recently bought a new car. In that case, you can give it as a gift to a family member, an office mate, or a close friend who desperately needs a means of transportation. 5. Give the car to a person in need. By giving your vehicle to this needy person outright without any money changing hands, you won't be paying any sales tax, but just the fee to transfer its title, which is not more than $6 in Texas. It would be best to have the person sign his name on the back of the current car title. Then inform the person that they should check the gift tax box in their car transfer title application. In Texas, most gas-powered vehicles that are registered in certain counties are required to pass a vehicle emissions test. However, all vehicles that are registered in the state of Texas are required to pass a vehicle safety inspection. Non-exempt vehicles must pass a vehicle safety inspection and emissions test before the vehicle's owner can obtain a vehicle registration or renew its registration. When vehicle owners in Texas possess an original vehicle registration for their new vehicle, the vehicle is exempt from an emissions test. 6. Process the application letter. You may have to take the signed car transfer title to the city clerk to process the application letter for creating a new vehicle title. To repeat, if you mail the application, you will only pay the fee will only be $2. If you apply personally, the price is $5.45. Remember that even if you gave your vehicle to someone you know, the state would still charge the receiver for its current market value when registering the car. So inform them about this possibility at the gifting time. Again, what is the cheapest way to transfer a car title in Texas? To pay for the cheapest car title in Texas, someone should give a car to you as a gift. In this case, you'll pay $2 if you apply by mail or $5.45 if you go to the county tax office. 7. Factors to consider before gifting a car to another person. You should be aware that several qualifications control your choice of recipient. What are these qualifications? The recipient of your vehicle should fall under the following categories: parent or step-parent, or father-in-law or mother-in-law, spouse as their separate property, child or stepchild, or son-in-law or daughter-in-law, sibling or brother-in-law or sister-in-law, grandparent or grandparent-in-law, grandchild or grandchild-in-law, guardian, but should give proof of the fact. What do I need to transfer car ownership in Texas? 8. What do I need to transfer car ownership in Texas? Texas Title 130U, application form for car transfer title. Legal name on the buyer's photo ID. It should match the name on the application form. Original signature of the donor as the seller, as well as the original signature of the buyer. Applicant should submit an affidavit of motor vehicle gift transfer. Comptroller Form 14 to 317. The donor and recipient should file the affidavit in person and give a valid identification form. The affidavit must bear both signatures of the donor and recipient and should be notarized. 9. In closing, the cheapest way to transfer a car title in Texas is to have somebody give it to you as a gift. This means there was no exchange of money when you acquired the vehicle. As such, you will pay only an amount of $2 if you apply by mail and $5.25 if you do it personally at the country tax office. If you receive the car as a gift from a friend, a workmate, or a family member, you acquired the vehicle without paying any money. You can't put any amount on the car when you register it since there is no money involved and there is no sale that happened. Lion Solutions Professional Services offers Alien Motor Vehicle System API integration for seamless transfer of data between Alien and your internal systems. Save time and prevent keying errors in processing Lion ads, requesting duplicate titles, and completing VN searches. 10. Liability insurance. Proof of liability insurance. Insurance of the recipient or buyer can be used for the first 30 calendar days from the date of receipt or sale. The vehicle must be included on the recipient's insurance policy. The insurance policy should satisfy Texas requirements at the time of the car title transfer. You must show proof of identity of the primary recipient. Identification card must satisfy Texas requirements. A copy of the ID can be used. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.